guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a unit from Nadula Hair, and this is my first time working with this company. So like always, if you have any experiences with them, go ahead and drop it down below in the comment section for us. But I wanted to try out some different techniques today. So I'm always down to improve my wig game. You guys know that I'm always looking for new ways to make my wig look as natural as possible. So I've been watching a bunch of different celebrity stylists and other YouTubers lay their wigs, and I picked like kind of my favorite new techniques to try out. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing in this video, and I think it turned out pretty freaking good. So right now I'm just showing you guys the unit and removing all of like the extra little lace pieces. I did have to bleach this unit twice to get the knots to be like as, I guess, clear or technically my skin tone as possible. And I still didn't get them all the way, just the heads up. But right now I'm just taking my foundation powder and just using it on the lace to get the lace to match my skin tone. And then I am doing the first method. This is Ivy's method. So I've done this before and I freaking love it. So I told you guys before that I stopped doing the ball cap method because I felt like it was ripping my edges out no matter how careful I was being. But sometimes, especially with side parts, for me, I feel like I need the ball cap because I need like that blank slate underneath my wig because my black hair kind of peeks through and it could just mess up, you know, like the plucking and everything. So with Ivy's method, she just takes the got-to-be glue and she puts it on her hairline, lets it dry a bit, and then she goes on with her foundation powder and just pats it in, okay? Like, this was my second time doing this, and I freaking love it. It literally works just like the ball cap method to me, and I will be doing this for now on. So thank you, Ivy. I will link her channel below and at the top. So I didn't see Ivy do this, and I don't even know if it's necessary or not, but I just added a little bit of free spray on top of the foundation powder just to let it like settle in and it won't just be powdery. But yeah, y'all, this method is freaking fire. Like, you cannot see my black hair peeking through.
Thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say.
So the next method is just marking out my hairline. This is something that I don't really do because I don't really use real glue. But when I do use real glue, I need to make sure that I get it in the exact place because it could be so freaking messy if you like miss or don't put it in the right spot. I actually think I learned this from Simone. I'll leave her channel below and at the top as well. But yeah, this is perfect if you're using real glue because if you're using like got-to-be glue, you can just wipe that off with water. But if you get this out of place and it's just on your forehead, it could just be like a mess. And you can end up loosening your lace when you're trying to get it off. It's just not worth it. So this is perfect. I know this one is not really new. I've actually done this a few times in the past, but this is just something that definitely helps if you're using real glue. And I'm using the Erica J Hold Me Down glue. I think that's what it's called. This is perfect for long wear.
Looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this system of it.
So if you guys are familiar with my videos, you know that I typically remove my lace off of my head just because I can feel like I can see better. But I see most stylists do it like on the actual head of the person, especially if they're creating like the hairline for them and not using the hairline of the wig. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove it with this razor. I do not recommend a razor if you are a beginner because they are so freaking sharp, you guys, and if you move too fast you can destroy your lace. I prefer small scissors, but this definitely works. It is a little bit quicker and gives you more of like a jagged edge, But again, be careful if you're a beginner. And because I used a white eyeliner to map out my hairline, I'm just using this micellar water to kind of get rid of it. And it's oil free, so it's not going to lift the lace.
Things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third.
So baby hairs for this unit. I have been rocking the no baby hair look for a few months now. I feel like I haven't done a unit with baby hairs in a minute, but I keep seeing videos on people who took Arrogant Tay's masterclass, and they are showing different techniques that he did. And this baby hair trick is one that, I don't know, it really intrigued me, so I wanted to try it out. I tried it on my sideburns, and it came out freaking bomb, so I wanted to try a full baby hair look with it, and it's perfect with this curly unit. So right now, I just sectioned out my baby hair, and I'm taking a little bit of this Got To Be Glue Insta Hold Spray. I like doing this one on my edges because if you put heat on it, it doesn't turn white. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put that in so I can melt the lace a little bit more and get the baby hairs to fall forward. And then I just tie it down, take it loose, and then we're going to try this method.
Then the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us.
So basically, after you cut your section baby hairs, you just take a small flat iron. This is the smallest one that I had. I had a really, really tiny one, but I think I freaking threw it away, and I'm so mad now. But I've seen people do it multiple ways. So I've seen a few girls do it with the curls going up, and then a few doing it with the curls going down. I didn't know which one would work better. I just kind of winged it and figured it out as I went. I did a few going up, and then I came back and did a few going down. But yeah, I'm just going to keep figuring out this method.
I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love. The things I love. The things I love. Love, 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 love. The things I love. The things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love. The things I love. The things I love. Love, 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 love. The things I love. The things I love.
So now I'm just going in with a toothbrush. It doesn't have any product or anything on it. I'm kind of just getting a feel for my baby hairs now, trying to see which way I want them to lay, curling them whichever way I need to recurl them. Basically just kind of mapping out and seeing if I need to cut anything or anything like that. And then I'm going to go in with edge control instead of gel. So I don't want to go for the hard baby hair look with this one. I want to go for kind of the wispy look. So I wanted something with hold, but not to where it's going to look like it's stuck to my forehead. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of the edge control, like very little of it, you guys, just to kind of mold the baby hairs but not slick them down.
Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love. The things I love. The things I love, 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 love. The things I love. The things I love.
So this part is literally the most tedious of everything that I've done to this wig and probably took the longest. But I definitely see what is happening here with these baby hairs. It did work. I do like using the curl method because I kind of get to see like which way they're going to flow and lay, and it doesn't make them as harsh. So I will definitely keep using this.
Be one of the things I love. The things I love. The things I love. The things I love. Love, 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 love. The things I love. The things I love. Be one of the things I love.
So just adding a few finishing touches, but that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any other videos you want to see, go ahead and comment down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next one.